This is for the streets I walk every day, for the dreams that slowly fade away, for the child who's hungry but still prays, hoping tomorrow will be okay. I see tears in my mother's eyes, bills on the table, silent cries, politicians talking, selling lies, while hope in the corner slowly dies. We're tired of promises in the air, tired of leaders who don't really care. Justice feels like it's never fair. If you're poor, nobody's there. Tell me, how long do we endure in a land so rich but life's unsure? We love this country, that's for sure, but living here is a daily war. Oh, magulong Pilipinas, hanggang kailan ba luha sa kalsada? Magulong Pilipinas, bakit ang balas ay para lang sa may kaya? Sigaw ng puso ng mga walang tinig, pagod na sa pangakong paulit-ulit sa sariling bayan. Bakit tila dayuhan? Magulong Pilipinas, nasaan ang katarungan? Yeah, look around, this is reality, not a movie scene, this is tragedy. Corruption running through the family tree, injustice feels like a fantasy, but I still believe in the people's cry, in every tear that we can't deny. Maybe one day we'll rise and fight, turn this darkness into light. Oh, magulong Pilipinas, hindi pa tapos ang kwento ng masa. Magulong Pilipinas, may pag-asa pa sa bawat isa. Kung sama-sama may magbabago rin, kung di susuko ang puso't damdamin. Sa gitna ng gulo may sisikating araw. Magulong Pilipinas, babangon din balang araw.